Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a code in Brawlhalla game. If you want to redeem your codes in Brawlhalla, then the first thing to do is to open up the game on your device, and from the main homepage of Brawlhalla, go ahead and tap on the store button at the top of the screen. From the store page, tap on the gear button at the top and click on redeem code button. In the text box that appears on the next page, go ahead and enter your code. Enter the code exactly as given, and then once done, click on enter. Soon after you do that, if the code is valid and active, you should receive a confirmation pop-up and see the reward. So that is how you can easily redeem your Brawlhalla code. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.